So what you can do is open this up. And if you go in the corner here, this thing will then here you pop out. So what you're gonna do is you can push in the middle and pull down, and it should come off. So here I'm missing the cover, but you can see there's a mouse bin in here. And you look into this lot of mouse nest in there. So sometimes this dead mouse in there and stuff. Ah! It's fucking with you. So yeah, just take all this out. Make sure you wear some gloves too. And sometimes we make noise if you don't take this out. Like I say, just make sure you put your hand in here and just feel anything inside the fan. And if you want to know for sure, what you can do is just turn on the motor and see if it doesn't make any noise. If it does, it means there's still something in there. You hear? So me this. See, there's still something in there, so we take it out. I'm going to turn on the fan and see. So there's still something there. So I think everything's out. Let me turn on the fan again. Yes, I think it's good now. So here's the new filter. Make sure it's face upward. Now put this back. And pop this back. And that's it.